I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello guys, welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. This is your girl Yoli. So guys, this is a little intro for the vlog to come. For some reason guys, I didn't add a intro to the beginning of this vlog. I just started videoing, so but just to let you guys know. So this is a little bedroom update guys. So hubby and his friends will be putting up the TV in our bedroom and the new drapes, the new rod that you see behind me right now. Yeah, they put that up. So that is just yeah, what they'll be doing, and then the vlog continues. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, guys, and I'm finally up to date with my vlogs. I have nothing in file. Like, this is it, and then your girl will be posting her weekly vlog. So guess what, vlogs will be shorter. You won't have this long stretch of hour and 20 minutes guys. It will be short, spicy, and to the point. Okay, all right, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Have a wonderful day, and God bless. What's it, girl? What's it, girl? Little girl. Little girl. Is it the video? Little girl. Little girl. Little girl. Look like I did it, but for Mark, this what? Oh. They want like a long nail? Yeah. There's no long nail in the back, man. On the stairs. Amma? Yeah. The Amma, the downstairs, babe, on the basement floor.
I know it.
Promise.
I did.
I promise.
Uncle not taking off the hat right now, later. No, it get cold. Uncle say cold. Say cold.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it's cold. Cold on the ears.
What?
in the...
So noisy.
Yeah.
It's very easy angles.
I cups.
Look at girl.
What you do with it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go and come on my
You have to lift up and come down.
Let me see what I want. You know, let me see here. You have to look, man. Keep on it. Alright. No, me have to take the bottom piece.
Perfect. I kill I get it perfect.
You want to push over more?
I think you want close the door and see, babe. Oh, you can't let it go.
You can't let it go, man. You
You
can't
can't
let
let it go.
You have to come to us with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to
Try the door and
You want to
yeah.
center a bit in a dresser properly.
You can come over more.
Yeah, some more. And I send it and I make like dresser.
You have to see.
Right, that's
You
why you
have to
can't
watch the channel.
Oh, that's a.
Yeah, watch the channel.
Yeah, right, that's why you have to stay.
Yeah.
I know that. I eat that. I'm a screwdriver there. Let me put I'll fit back down, boys. So you drink, I'll fit back what you want.
One way and the back. Wait, you gloves.
On the miss. Yes, big time Danzo. Oh, clean. Go on, a big carpenter like me. Me out of the field too long, daddy.
So you know the drywalling and so no more.
Eh?
You know the drywalling and so no more.
Foundation and all them thing there. Holy powers, maybe.
Hello guys. So guys, I went to Costco, but me never carry on. I'm most tired of Costco shopping now. But I'm gonna show on what $200 get me. Pretty much nothing. I'm not tired for say shopping vlogs now. So just do like a grocery haul, right? Yeah, so $200 now. This is what $200 get me. So guys, the kids them love this cheese. It's real cheddar, cheddar marble, natural cheese. They don't like the other synthetic cheese. They said it tastes like plastic. So I always get them this to make their sandwich. So it's actually sliced cheese, right? Yeah, so this guys is $14. But oh, I'm not say it lasts them long, but it lasts them maybe 2 weeks. Yeah. This now is the block cheese. Same thing like that, but they use the sliced one to make sandwich. So this is $14 too. Yep. This now is trail mix. Actually, I love this. Do you guys like this?
No.
Not really. So this was $6. And this lasts long because they don't like it.
Well, what the Cheetos.
Yeah. This now, guys, I think I've shown you guys this before. So this is 16 mini chocolate milk. I put it in their lunch box. So this is just strictly for their lunch box. Mainly Promise. So how much egg this is? 12. So this is 24 egg. 2 dozen egg, and this is $7. So I got 2. So I got 4 dozen. No, 24. 4 dozen egg. Yeah. Let's see if this will last them 2 weeks. I think your dad is showing Promise he might need this. So guys, I got this for Promise. It was on sale. I think $14 for 3. I'm sending one.
Is that 50 eggs?
Huh?
55 something?
Huh?
Is that 55 eggs?
No, I didn't say 24. 48.
48?
Yeah, give this to Dad. Yeah, so this should last, Promise, 3 months or 2 months. Yeah, because only she used this. Yeah. So I got 3 for what? 14 or $10? Guys, and you know what they did? Normally this bottle used to be bigger. They minimize the size of the bottle and selling it for the same price. See what I mean? Think they're smart? Them don't smart. My favorite, eggnog. I love this season. Love this time of the year, guys. I love eggnog. I love eggnog. Even though eggnog not too love me. I got this body wash, Olay. I think 2 was $14. Yeah, not a great deal, but I love Olay and at the cheapest round town. Yeah, when them have sale, I normally I get 4, but it ain't on sale. Spring roll. I got this for $10, and it comes with the sauce too. It's vegetable spring roll. Yeah, see. Butter, guys, I love this butter. It's called Crystal Margarine, lactose free, vegan, no artificial flavor. No, so this is I think $8. Big tub, lasts me a while. And then this I get how many inside? 5 toothpaste, and I think this was $10. Yeah, guys, this is $200, eh? And this is not even grocery shopping. This is just running to Costco and get a few things that you needed.
Wait, how much
that
was
I
it?
needed. Everything here was $200.
Oh.
Yeah, this is $200 grocery. Yep. So that's the grocery haul. Hope you enjoyed. And guys, I got this 20, it's regular 27, and it's $6.50 off. So I think I got it for 21. Yeah. I'm gonna add up. Yeah. So that's all I got for $200 at Costco. Guys, but actually Costco have some good deal going, so I'm gonna run going. Yeah. So guys, I'm giving you guys a little update. So guys, as you know, I'm out of break, guys. My bedroom set is a kind of light gold bronzy with a little touch of rustic silver, right? Yeah, so I say, okay, I wanted something to make my room pop. So I didn't want to go with gold. I didn't want to go with gold lamps. So I said I wanted something cream or something crystal, something with a little pop that will make the room, you know, brighten up. So guys, I ended up getting this lamp here. So I'm gonna step back a little so you guys don't watch the bed, guys. All the things are going, but just a good one update. This is not the final look. I'm just giving you guys a update on what I got. So I got this lamp, guys, at Homesense. So it's cream and beige here. So guys, and it wasn't a bad price. I got it for $34. I still haven't taken off the price tags as yet because I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep them. So guys, over there, you see it over there. So you see, oh, it just made the room pop, the cream. Yes, guys. So the drapes, guys, don't watch the drapes. The drapes, they're just temporary because they blend in too much with my furnitures, and I don't like that. I want something to make my room pop. So I'm gonna either do cream and beige, or yeah, cream and beige, or white and cream, that kind of. So it can make, you know, it will match the lamps, and the room will just pop. Yes. So Obi and my friend put up. I also changed the curtain rods. I don't know if you could see it. Yes. So it's kind of a marble, black and white and gold, and yeah. So yep, that's there. And Obi and my friend put up the TV. So guys, now you know, if I put that, guys, don't watch my closet. All the things are going in here. Guys, all the things are going. Me organize, and I'm putting stuff in place. Yes. So yeah, this is it. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah, and you guys can give me decor ideas. I said I wasn't gonna put anything on my wall up there because the bed frame already is a bit fancy, so I didn't want to do too much. I don't want too much be going on. So I don't know, you guys let me know and tell me how you guys liking it so far. Yeah. So guys, remember the drapes, they're coming down. Those are just temporary for now. Yeah. But guys, I really love this lamp. So it's cream. It's not white. It's cream and beige. All right. Hi, lifestylers. Hi, guys. That's some extra stay, guys. So anyways, hi, guys. Welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. This is your girl, Yoli. So, guys, you already know the ropes. First, you know, just subscribe. The minute you made it on this channel, trust me, you're gonna like it over here. So just subscribe to the channel. Remember to like my content, guys. I love the comment section. Continue to comment in the comment section. Yes, guys, and you know, share. Guys, sharing is caring. And yeah, so just, you know, share up my content, them guys. And don't forget to turn your post notification bell on, so whenever time I do a video, you will be the first to be notified. Anyways, guys, so it's Tuesday and it is a rainy day, guys. Like, I'm gonna show you outside. I'm currently driving on the highway, guys, but I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse of, you know, yeah, what it looks like outside. So guys, anyways, so today's Tuesday. It's not really my off day, but I took a day off because I have some very important appointments today. So I'm currently, you know, going to the doctor, and you know how it go already, guys. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Is it 1 o'clock? Yeah, it's 1 o'clock. So my appointment is at 2. Very close to the location. So I'm here wondering, should I go in Homesense? Guys, should I go in Homesense? I should go in Homesense. Maybe, yeah. Because anyway, guys, yesterday, Bobby painted the kitchen, and just not the whole kitchen, guys, because I don't have a big kitchen. So, you know, one of the walls, you know, just one side, yeah. We put a little brighter color. So, yeah, I'm looking for a vase for my hutch, even though I don't think I'm gonna keep that hutch for too long. But I'm not getting rid of it until maybe late next year, or so I'm not sure yet what I'm doing. So anyways, I have a hutch in the kitchen. I'm looking for a vase and some pieces to put on it, and I am planning. I want to change. I think I want to change my drapes in my living space. I already have my Christmas pillows. Yeah, I already have my Christmas pillows and my Christmas throw. Yes, I might just need a little, yeah, and to put up my Christmas tree. Yes, guys. So I wanted to go to Homesense to see what they have there. Since I have the time, like, why not just go? Yeah, because it's just 1 o'clock. My appointment, so I have an hour. I can, go in Homesense maybe to look for, a little 10 minutes. Guys, up here, big truck on the highway. I'm telling you, that big truck. Yeah, big truck. So guys, how are you guys doing? Is everybody ready or preparing themselves for the Christmas season? How is everybody doing so far, guys? For me, am I ready? Not really. I need a Christmas tree, so I have to go do a Christmas tree shopping, which I don't know if I'll do it today. I don't know. I'll see how I feel after. Yeah, so I need a Christmas tree. I need some ornaments and stuff, because guys, I had a little pencil tree because my space is not huge, guys. So I had a pencil tree, but I think we'll grow it out. I got really tired of it. Yeah, so I got rid of it 2 years ago, because guys, I haven't put up any Christmas tree since maybe before Promise turned 2, because every year, guys, Promise would pull off all the ornaments off the tree. So now that she's older, she don't do them things anymore. She's more excited for Christmas. So I said, yes, we can. The kids are so excited. They're like, oh my God, we finally get back Christmas. Because I used to just put their gifts down. I never used to, for like 2 years, I think, or 3 years, I stopped putting up Christmas tree. So now this year we're like, okay, it will be a fun thing for us to do as family. So I'm gonna try to get a Christmas tree. I don't know if today, I'll see how I feel. But right now, I think, and guys, I don't think I'm gonna take you guys to Homesense. I've been taking y'all to Homesense so much. Yeah, so I might just show you guys what I get after. Yes, that was the sense, guys. Are you guys tired of Homesense? Do you guys love house shopping? Do you guys enjoy, me house shopping, and in terms of getting decors and stuff for the house? Do you guys love that kind of content? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so I'm just touching base, guys. I haven't vlogged in a little bit. However, I have a bedroom update, that I'm gonna give you guys. My bedroom is pretty much, finished. Yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys a little update on that. Yeah. I'm gonna organize my closet is, I'm gonna organize my closet. Yes, guys, because remember that bench that I got in the bedroom, the storage bench at the end of the bed? I'm gonna put some stuff that's in my closet in it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing with my space. Yes, so yeah. But guys, I don't know, I'm trying to do Vlogmas. This will be my first time doing Vlogmas, so I think I'm gonna attempt to do it. Yes, guys, I'm gonna attempt to do it. So pray for me. Yeah. You know, it's gonna be more like short vlog, so it should be okay, like 20 minutes. Yeah, the max. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing it, guys. All right. Yes. So later when I get home, guys, I will. If I get anything at Homesense, I will show you guys what I get. And if I go Christmas tree shopping, I'll take you guys along with me. Alright? Talk soon. Bye. Guys, so I'm back home. Guys, it was raining. And yeah, it was raining, so I couldn't bother bringing it in at the store, guys. So, and I've been bringing you guys to Homesense, so I said, okay, I'll do the what do you call it, the all at home, the Homesense all. Get down, girl, in your baggie. Get down. Aww.
I will watch the TV.
Okay, go sit in the chair there and watch your TV. You know, camera ready.
Give her remote then.
Go get her shorts out your dresser drawer. Go get her shorts. Go get her shorts to put on.
Sure.
Yes, guys, the girl won't come in. Good evening. Anyways, guys, back to my Homesense all. So, guys, I've been looking for the perfect vase for my bedroom, like a floor vase. And when I saw this, I'm like, yeah, because it was like a perfect blend of different shades of gold. So I'm going to say, yes. And what is something new you said for going in? Pampas. Guys, pampas. Yeah, so I just need to get some pampas now. Let me show you guys. So when we see this, guys, I'm gonna say, Lily girl, you should have went straight home. So guys, honestly, the price wasn't bad.
It's the same one. They have one in
Yeah.
Lancaster too.
This is the guys, look at this and look at my bedroom set. Perfect. It's like gold and silver with glass. See? Yes, and guys, it's $39. Not bad. So I'm gonna show you guys where I wanna, two places that I think I might put it. I'm gonna adjust this. So look, guys, so let me see if you guys can see. Yes, so guys, I'm either thinking of putting it here. Let me see. Oh, it look. So guys, it's either I'm gonna put it in that corner, or I'm gonna put it here. Let me show you. I don't know. Or this side. Let me know, guys. Let me know where y'all think I should put it. Let me show you. So, yes. Let me see if I can give you guys a better. Yeah. Or there. So, guys, I just got this mirror. I don't know if you guys can see it. I just got that mirror. It's like a wall mirror. So, yeah. So, guys, either there. For some reason, I feel like it looks better over here. You guys? I feel like it looks better here. What you all think? Yeah. I feel like it looks better over there. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put the pampas in it. Guys, you them pure nice. Una met down there. Don't want to be a part of the vlog? So guys, so I got that. And I got this. I got this, guys, and let me show you where I want to put this now. I'm gonna turn the camera around. So I'm thinking to put this here. There. Thinking of putting this here and put something in there. Not knowing yet. I don't know what. I don't know exactly. I'm not gonna put no pampas in it. I'm gonna put something else and then something. Nothing too much. I'm not go too crazy. So guys, let me know what you guys think of that. What y'all think? And then I got another vase, but this is for downstairs. I might return this one. I'm gonna show y'all. So I got this, guys. This is not for my bedroom. This is for downstairs on the hutch, the kitchen. This one is gonna go in the kitchen and put something there. I don't know what yet, but I might return this one. If I see something better, I'm gonna return this one. But that one, the long one, that one, guys, I'm definitely gonna keep it because it blends in perfect with that. I think I'm gonna keep that one over there, but this one now, I'm not sure about it. It must be something that I have an idea what I'm looking for. So if I see what I'm looking for pop up at Homesense, I'm gonna get it instead. So let me wrap this one back up, and whenever I'm tidying up downstairs, whenever I'm putting up my decor for Christmas, I will take this out. Yeah. So guys, let me show you. I'm gonna show you I don't think I showed you guys this mirror. Let me give you guys a good look on the mirror. Hold on. Okay guys, I'm gonna take $10. So it was on clearance because it had a little scratch, so I got it. Yeah, and I love it. So guys, I'm pretty much, my room pretty much done. I just some little stuff, like I'm gonna change my drapes. What do you guys think about my drapes? This, guys, I have these drapes for years. When I tell you long, these drapes may be older than Kamani. These drapes are so old. When I dig through my, I have a bin in the basement with drapes and sheets and comforters. So when I dug through and I found this, I'm like, go put it up for now. But I'm thinking of changing it, guys. What color do you think I should change it to? You guys let me know in the comment section what color drapes you guys think I should put up. Let me know. So guys, how would that look over there? So that's the vase that I got today, and that one there. Yeah, what y'all think, guys? I love this one. I love it. All right, guys, I'm at my second home again. So I've been looking for pampas. What is it called? Pampas, yes. And I finally found it, guys. At, what do you call it? Beauclair. One little piece for $16. You get the whole thing here for $29. So I'm getting that for my bedroom. And you only need one, right? One pack.
Yeah. Unless you're doing like a blend.
Nah. So this, why does it look different? So for my living room, what do you think? You think this would be too much in the on the center table? I think so.
No. No.
Because I was thinking of a floors, but you know, like those look just too artificial. Let's see what else we have.
What do you think of this?
Huh?
What do you think of this?
Where? For the centerpiece?
Yeah.
I would have to move it after Christmas though, right?
Well, not all of it, just the... No? I like this too, though.
Let me see, yeah, that one is
I like that.
that I can maybe get after for the up.
You won't come back and find that to get it after. You won't find that, and it's the last one. You won't find that. They even have one with some green.
I don't know. It just looked too Christmassy.
You think so? Oh, because
no?
that, okay, I get what you mean. What about that one? I can't see it properly.
Still Christmassy, it's a bit
Oh, okay.
I'm looking for something very versatile that I
you
can.
don't have to switch out.
Yeah. Because guys, guess what? Me have a style where when I put stuff up and I to go back for it the following year, I'm like, I think I can use this. So.
Okay. She ain't lying, guys. She ain't lying.
See how long you look for this thing. You have to know how to.
Oh, you don't want nobody? Oh, okay.
Thank you, because I'm not in the mood for this. Guys, look at the traffic. So, I can't do this by myself today.
So what did you get today?
You know, see,
Tell us about it. I don't have it there. What did you get? Shop till she drop.
don't say anxiety yet.
And we're going to hear our bill. We're going to hear our bill.
Show the people that.
See that, guys? See our bill.
One for the outside, one for the neighbor.
Please scan your number. Please begin scanning. Thank you for shopping at Costco.
Okay.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?